Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you my process for creating a rustic rope Christmas tree. Last year I made several of these using styrofoam cones from DollarTree and Michael's. This year I wanted to make a larger one, so I used the tinsel tree that DollarTree is carrying this year. So you will need the tree, of course, a beaded garland to decorate your tree, 2 packages of the 13-foot rope, and you will need almost both packages. To begin, remove your tinsel from the tree, cut off the tag. I'm saving my tinsel. I may use it in a future project. With hot glue, take one end of the rope at the top, glue the rope down, and then wrap your form with both ropes. Make sure you cut the plastic off the end. Then take the beaded garland and also wrap that around your tree because that's going to be like your lights. Then I took some of the lace trim and made a quick little bow because I wanted to use it as a tree topper. Glue it to the top of your tree. And there you have it. You're done with your rustic rope Christmas tree. I hope you liked my project. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back again soon with another project.